children, how are you? Good morning, dear children, how are you? Good morning, dear children. Good morning, dear children. Good morning, dear children, how are you? Hope everyone is fine. Let's get ready for our mathematics lesson as usual. Are we ready for our mathematics lesson? Get your book and your pen, your pencil. Are we ready? Yes. Today we are looking at something new. But before we look at it, let us stand up. Let us stand up. And we are going to see how we solve algebraic problems in division. If you have two oranges and you share them between two girls, what answer do you get? What answer do you get? Wonderful. Shall say one orange. If you have 6 oranges and you share them between 3 girls, how many does each girl get? If you have 6 oranges and you share them among 3 girls, what answer do you get? Each one gets 3 oranges. If you have 10 oranges and you share them among 5 children, how many does each get? Ruth? 2. Very good. So we are going to see how we find the missing number in division. So we write solving algebraic problems in division. Let us read solving algebraic problems in division. In other words, finding the missing number in division. Which other word do we use if we don't use the word division? We can use the word share. Share. Or if they ask, how many did each of them get? Just know we are talking about division. Let's have our first example. Examples. In our example, let's have this box divided by 4 equals 3. This is our first example. Let us all read. Eyes on the chalkboard. Let us all read. Box divided by 4 equals 3. Remember in our previous lesson, we were dealing with multiplication. And what did we do in order for us to get the missing number? We were dividing the big number by the smaller number. What happens when it comes to division? What do we do? When it comes to division, things are a bit different. If you've not been given the first number, we multiply the 2 numbers. Listen carefully. If we are finding the missing number in division, if we are to find the first, if we've not been given the first number and we are dividing, I I've said we multiply the two numbers in order for us to get the missing number. But if we've not been given the second number, things change a little bit, and we shall see what happens when we come to that. But in this lesson, we are going to deal with how to find the first number if it has not been given to us. I said we multiply the two numbers. The working remains the same, but only the multiplication sign changes. The other time we use the division sign. In division, if we are finding the first number, we are supposed to use the multiplication sign. So we come here and we draw this box in the same line and we put equals. This equals should be in the same line. What? I said we multiply the two numbers. Roy, tell us, what are we going to multiply? Good. Shall say we are going to multiply 3 by 4. So we shall write 3 multiplied by 4. And this is the same as, Now, what does this mean? Good. Shall say 3 groups of 4. Do we multiply from here? No. We come here in our side work. So we shall make 3 groups of 4. We draw our 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. These are our 3 groups. 3 groups. How many counters are we going to put in each group, everyone? High five. They've said 4. So we are going to put 4 counters in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each group, when you look at all these 3 groups, each group is having 4 counters because it is 3 groups of 4. So we count all these and we add them together in order for us to get the result or the product. So let's count together and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 times 4, we shall get our answer as 12. We come down here and we draw box equals 12. This is box equals 12. We underline this 12. We also come up here and fill in the missing number. And it will be read as, let's read together, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Is it correct that when we divide 12 by 4, we get our answer as 3? Yes. So let's have the second example. I have here box divided by 5 equals 25. Answer that your box divided by 5 equals 25. Sorry. It's box divided by 5 equals 5. Box divided by 5 equals 5. Let's use this as our example. So we come down here and we write box equals. Remember we said if we are finding the we are supposed to multiply. So here, what are we going to multiply? We are going to multiply 5 by 5. And then we come here and we do our side work from here. We are going to make 5 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are 5 groups, but each group is supposed to have how many roots? 5. Good. So we put 5 counters in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure, dear friends, when you are drawing those counters, you draw the right number of counters. So we add these together in order for us to get the answer. Dear girls, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we come here and we write box equals 25. So our answer will be 25. So after writing this 25 here, I want Barbara to tell us what is missing. Barbara has said we fill in the missing number. And where do we put the missing number? Here in the first box, not down here or here, but in the first box. How do we read this, Joy? Joy, read for us. Good, shall say 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Wish you all the best in the upcoming activity. Have a great day.